Welcome to the Government Remittance Processing Guide. To begin, launch your Telpay for Business software, and on the main menu, under Manage Billers, select Add New Billers. I'm going to choose a provincial or federal government agency, and I'm going to search by biller name. I'll type in CRA and select Find. From the results in the grid-like pattern, you can scroll through them. You need to select the result you're looking for. I'm going to select the CRA Current Source Deductions. A small biller detail window will pop up that you can confirm the information is the right biller for you by selecting Close and then select Pay the selected biller. You're going to be asked to enter in your bill account number, which is just your business number with the correct extension for the deduction at the end. We'll tab over to confirm that number and then select Add and Pay. We'll be asked to enter the date, then select OK. We now need to enter the amount of the deduction. We can tab over and leave it at 0 for the refundable GST HST. We'll tab over again and the View Distribution Detail window will pop up. This is where you can enter in general ledger information, or you can leave it blank. It's always optional. I'm going to leave it blank for today and select Accept. I'll select Accept again, and the appropriate form for the deduction will pop up. It's requiring 3 pieces of information from me, and I'm going to gather these pieces of information from my accounting software. And then I'll select OK. And I'm ready to approve the payments, and I do so by selecting Transmit. This screen here is where the signing officer can enter in their PIN directly into the software, or we can email them for approval. We're then going to select our payment option. There are 2 payment options. Select the one that works best for your business, and then select Send Payments. Once your system has successfully connected to Telpay, you're going to receive a transmission report which you can print or continue on from. This report will be stored in the history in your Telpay for Business software. You will then be required to back up your system. This is important. Select a network drive or an external drive, then click Backup. Once a backup is completed, so is your process of the government remittance. Welcome to the guide for filing your government remittances with your payroll. To begin, import your payroll information from your accounting software or manually enter it into the Telpay for Business software. In the bottom right-hand corner, confirm your pay date and select Next. This screen here is asking us if we have a deduction that we would like to make at the same time as our payroll, which we do. So we're going to click here to select deductions now. From this screen, you need to search the deduction you would like to make. I'm going to type in CRA, find the one I would like to make, and check off the payroll deduction radio button box. I'm now going to select Back, and we can see that the deduction now appears on this screen here. I need to enter in the amount that I want to pay and the remittance date. I can now continue on by hitting Submit for transmission. It'll ask me for the 3 pieces of information mandatory on the PD7A form. I gather these 3 pieces of information from my accounting software. And I'm going to select OK. It's just confirming that you're aware of the remittance dates. Once you are aware, you'll select Yes. I need to confirm all the contents of the file that I've entered up until now by selecting the boxes. Once I've confirmed all the information, I can select Next. And this screen here is where the signing officer is going to type in their PIN directly into the software, or we can email them for approval. We'll now select the payment option. There are 2 payment options. Select the best one for your business, and then send your payments. Once your system has successfully connected to Telpay, you will receive a transmission report, which you can print or continue on from. This report will be stored in the history in your Telpay for Business software. You will then be required to back up your system. This is important. Select a network drive or an external drive, then click Backup. Once a backup has completed, so is your government remittance processing.